5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wildfire. Viral last bite.
Run those boys into circles. Baits again.
Viral last bite.
Oh, they're rough. Folks.
Ruff.
Rough.
A flame. A flame. Blaze.
Right
Why is
here.
there no windy woos on this side?
Viral
Blaze spread.
last bite. Wildfire.
Kinda is windy woos when
There is windy woos, but they're more like sucky
Dream
wuckies.
rend.
Stampeding
also-
roar.
Tornadoes in the last.
Stampeding roar
We
in
also have
8.
the knockback when we exit phase
3,
1 and
2,
Yeah.
1.
when we do the
Move.
seed.
Tom, have
Sucky
you
wukies.
researched this fight at all?
Yeah,
Move.
what the fuck, Tom?
Have you actually been on the fire?
Big move.
Blaze.
I've been absent for 500 pulls.
Alright, baits.
Viral last bite.
Play fireside now.
I'm sending in the head.
Firestorm.
Good. Baits.
Viral
Kick in.
last bite.
Soaks.
Shield block. Shield block in 8.
3,
Stay spread here.
2, 1. Blaze. Viral last bite. Wildfire.
I was convinced that was an
Dream
insta
rend.
ank then.
Stampeding roar. Stampeding roar in 8.
Thank you, boss.
3, 2.
The forest is a
Move.
healer.
Secret time.
Move.
I'll
Knew
say
we had
when.
Big move.
Hey, my timers are working.
Stay
Focus
spread
on
here.
movement.
Don't die at lines.
Stop for
Good.
now. Hit when he
Bundle.
finishes
Viral
frontal.
last bite.
Wait for his frontal.
Firestorm.
Oh,
Really good.
Oh, this is gonna be milk. This is gonna be milk.
What's that best milk so
Incarnate.
far?
Demonic gateway.
This one.
Demonic
That one
gateway in
is actually
8.
the best one.
It's dead.
3, 2.
By 1%.
Fucking jinx the SMH.
Purple.
Stay spread here.
Double check where you are.
Corrupt.
Wave 1.
Blaze.
Wave 2.
Blaze.
Immunities.
Sam is such a good Hoover.
Yeah,
He does suck well, doesn't he? Health pots if you're low.
Not a Laradai one.
Tom. We actually offended him then.
I mean, a real? Or...
Fucking got him.
The boss does an entire percentage lower, by the way.
Pots and pump.
It's dead.
Well, we need to actually make him 5% lower.
Stay
Viral
close to
last
boss
bite.
here.
Blaze.
Good job you don't exist today, Tom.
Play on top of red,
Viral
and you're
last
playing close to
bite.
boss.
What side was
Blaze.
it?
Greater firestorm.
Red.
Sidelines.
Brilliant. Blast this fire ad now.
Incarnate.
Gauges in 3. Go your positions. Try and be in the AMZ.
Stampeding roar.
Break now.
Stampeding roar in 8.
Perfect.
Shadow
3,
flame devastation.
2,
Blaze. 1.
Do you CC? Good. Get them all in. Amazing. Keep blasting.
Flame fall.
Yeah, we have no CC weak already. At least I don't.
Free position to the middle now. You're attacking on the boss, remember? Play tree side.
Blazes
Viral
soon.
last bite.
Blazes in
You're
3.
gonna need to cleave off that ad.
Ads are up. Be careful.
Blaze.
Watch your lands.
They're fine. They're all good.
Viral last
Oh.
bite.
There was one that moved last second. I love it. Stay on top of boss here. Just survive through this now. Just spread out with your blaze lines, avoid the circles.
Blaze
Viral
has been
last
fought.
bite.
Ranged, play further back a little bit.
Play
Just to
red
give the
side.
melee
Back.
some more
Greater
room.
firestorm.
Red side.
Blaze.
Play red. Good.
Incarnate.
Blast the
Come
fire
down,
rad now.
Resme.
Res Tom.
Resme.
Res Tom. Cages.
Right, give me a sec.
Don't break yet. Now.
Stampeding roar. Stampeding roar in
Don't
8.
worry too
Flame
much about
devastation.
aggro. Time I've got.
3,
I got him.
2,
Go to your ad,
One.
CC. Don't blaze the trees.
Empower.
Keep blasting the fire ad now.
Gonna need some knocks.
Keep blasting it, keep blasting it.
Alright.
These will be fake, just blast it, blast it, blast it, blast it. Good.
Connor. Okay.
flame fall.
Again, play on top of boss here. Don't blaze the ads that spawn.
Kill the Colossus.
Viral last bite.
It's okay.
Fuck the boss up.
Blaze lines soon.
Blaze.
Play on the red side, just slightly towards the red side. Just watch the tree.
Viral last bite.
Good. Keep that ad CC'd. Keep that ad
Are you
CC'd.
taking the next one? Yeah.
Moving over to skull.
Watch your blazes now. Play on top of boss. And do
Viral
not
last
blaze
bite.
each other.
Blaze.
Do not blaze each other.
And you might as well
Perfect.
take him now, right?
Keep blasting, keep blasting.
Incarnate.
Good point.
Still a fine percentage. Completely fine.
Yeah.
I'm going to move the
Right.
boss a little bit closer to the tree, so I might go out of range.
You can do a Radageth move, go to the side, then in, and it'll move further in. Play on the left wing. Deeds are spawning. Just res them here.
Drop it.
Shadow
the breath.
flame breath.
Stampeding roar. Stampeding roar in 8.
Res guards, res guards, res guards, res guards.
3.
Firestorm to the edge,
Fires
tornadoes to
one.
the edge.
Seed drop soon.
Watch the pools here. You're gonna
Blaze.
blaze pools, then roar. So you dodge these lines. Bait your pools, don't be stood on star. Bait your pools, go to star. Go, 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 go.
Apocalypse roar. Bloom.
Run into boss and get pushed south. Close enough. Good. Now you play right side, there's pools first. Pools again, corrupted seed, so go pick it up. You got pools, breath, and blaze now, okay?
Shadow
Soggy
flame
sack.
breath. Blaze.
Tornadoes to the edge now. Tornadoes to the edge.
Eternal firestorm.
Some of you are far too close into the boss again.
Seed drop soon.
Right, you got blaze, pools, then roll.
Blaze.
They just bait these
Demonic
pools
Gateway.
and then go to diamond. Bait these
Demonic
pools, then go to
gateway in
diamond.
8.
Apocalypse
Diamond.
Now
roar.
diamond,
3,
diamond.
Bloom.
Seed,
2.
go. Perfect.
One.
Run into the boss. Good. Right, now play left of triangle now. Pools. And you get pools again. And pick up your corrupted seed. You got breath, pools, and blazes. So just dodge this breath.
Shadow flame
Card if
breath.
you have.
Blaze.
Don't get baited into these tornadoes.
Good.
Stampeding roar.
Tornadoes
Soggy
8 to the
sack.
edge.
Stampeding roar in
And
8.
Cocoon.
Eternal
Tornadoes to the edge.
firestorm.
Tornadoes to the edge.
2. 1.
Seed drop
Brilliant.
soon.
Blazes, pools, then roar.
Blaze.
Okay, this is the last roar. So stand left of triangle now. Bait your pools left of triangle. Left of triangle. Left of triangle. Good. No,
Apocalypse
just
roar.
onto triangle now. Roar. Go, go, go. Onto triangle. Get in there. Good. Good, 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 good. Right, pools. Play
Well-
away from seed people now. So you got pools. Pick up your seed. Personals if you've got them. You can health pot now. You got breath, pools, and blaze.
Shadow flame breath.
Dodge the breath, dodge the breath, dodge the breath. Firestorms to the edge, firestorms to the edge.
Eternal
Firestorms to the edge,
firestorm.
good. As far out as you can. You got pools and blaze. They blast the boss.
Blaze.
Stampeding
Dodge these
roar.
blazes. Don't hit a seed, don't
Stampeding roar in 8.
I'm down. Somebody pick up my seed, please.
3.
hit a seed. Someone grab it quickly.
1.
Come on, kill this fucking boss.
Yes!
Lego!
Well done, Tom. Let's go.
Good job,
Well
Tom.
done, Tom.
Good job, boys.
Oh my god.
That's
Hang
when you
up.
get the legendary.
Holy shit.
Connor,
Great
look,
shot.
No Ogorito.
look, Connor.
Ooh, Gratslers.
Wait,
Congrats,
I'm
Liz.
supposed to get the guaranteed.
Oh,
What did I
congrats,
get?
man.
Oh, what the fuck?
You got the
William?
mount.
Oh, yeah,
Let's
that's
go,
a mount.
William.
Mount, please.
Ooh, Sogi trade.
So good. Oh, no mount. Me and Tom called
My
it.
heart.
Ah, I got 15 aspect crests though.
Sick.
Oh, that's nice. I can finally upgrade my gear.
I'm glad they removed the cap.
Yeah. Okay, line up for the picture.
We're free, boys.
fun.
We're finally